BMW revealed the 2022 M135i, and here you can see it with optional M performance parts which make it stand out even more. For example, buyers will be able to get some elements such as the Sporty bumper and diffuser with forged carbon, the new side skirts, but also the forged carbon mirror caps. Aerodynamic parts on the front bumper are also available, and inside some of the options include the Alcantara steering wheel and the M Performance floor mats. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the looks of this 306 horsepower strong model equipped with the M Performance parts.